Hi, last class we have seen how to write a simple program in Jupyter. Now today we will see how to write a median, how to find the median in a given array of numbers in Python. Go ahead and launch your Jupyter from Anaconda projects. Choose your favorite path where you want to write your code and create a. If you want to create a new Python notebook, go ahead and do it as shown here. So I have just created one median. What's a median is in a given sorted array, the median is nothing but your average of the middle elements in the given array. Let's take a simple example to understand the concept well. Let's say 3, 5, 2, 1, 1. This is not a this is unsorted list. Now, let's understand how do we sort it. If it is sorted, we will see 2, 3, and 5 as a sorted array. In the sorted list, the median is the middle element. Since it's an even number of elements in the list, the median is going to be the 2 plus 3 divided by 2, which is 5 by 2. 2.5 is the median. Let's take another exam, other sorted array which has odd number of elements in it. Let's start with something like 3, 4, 5, and it could be anything for that matter. So this is a sorted array, so the median would be, okay, let's take 10 into picture. So median is 5 in this case, the middle element is tend to be also a median. Now, to find the same with the program in Python, we're going to write a simple function in Python and call that function with the targeted list where we want to find the median. Let's start doing that. So, as we understand the concept, we have two cases to cover here. One is an even number of elements in the list and an odd number of elements in the list. So, to define a function in Python, we have to use a keyword called def and then call the function median. And then you're going to pass a list given name is lst. And the syntax is semicolon for indentation. When you enter it here, it will use as a tab to come for the indentation. So now we have a list. We're going to find the length of the list, which is we call it as since it's a local variable, I just put it in underscore length. And there is a method called len and pass the lst. So it will return us the length of the list. If if length of the list is even, then we know that the median is going to be the middle element. The two elements, one is the in this case it's like 2 and 3. So we're going to do find an index of 2 and 3 and then compute the average of the two elements. So let's take a small variable called median, assign it to 0, and then we compute the median as we know that list, and to index any element in the list we're going to use as a square bracket. So we know the length of it, so we're going to do length divided by 2 minus 1 is the element at index half below in an even number. We're going to use length by 2. So if you take an example in this case, in 1, 2, 3, 4, the length is 4, and length by 2 would be 2, and then minus 1 would be 1. So we are going to use 1 and by 2 and by 2 minus 1. So which is nothing but your 2 comma 1. Put it the other way around. So it will be 1 and 2. So at 1 and 2, what we see in this is 0. In programming, the index starts with 0. So if we take at index 0 we have element 1, at index 1 we have 2, and index 3 we have 3. Index 2 we have the value 3. So the average would be 2 plus 3. So that's what we compute. So this is nothing but your divided by 2. So we're finding the average of the middle elements in the sorted array. So the first assumption that we have made is the given list is a sorted array. If it is not sorted, we have to find a way to sort that, which we will see once we have written the program to compute the median in a sorted array. And then we're going to do an else, which is nothing but lst of length divided by 2, because in this case we can take a simple example called, let's say, 1 2 3 4 and 6 and maybe 9. So 3 is the median. So let's see how it works for a given sorted array. So just do shift enter so that the cell will run, and then the function is available. So we're going to do like median and given a sorted list. Let's take this example 1 2 3 4, and then it's okay, we missed to return the median value to the caller, so we're going to return the median. Now see, it's written 2. The 2 has come because we are using an integer value. If you want to return a float value, just take 2 this, and then you will see 2.5, which is the median in this case. And then let's try to send something which is odd number of elements in the list, 1 9 and maybe a 15 and then 30 and then maybe 100. So we'll see 15 as the median of the given list. Here we have tested everything which is sorted. If you have an unsorted list, you may have to write one more function so that you can sort the given array. Let's take an example of 1 6 2 1 5. What do we expect here? The ideal value should be 1 2 5 6, so 7 by 2 3.5 should be the expected output. But let's try to see what our new function would return us. It would expect it to return us x plus 2 by 2, which would be 4, as it does. But ideally we have to fix this. To fix this, we're going to call something called sort the list. Sort is something which is not defined, so we're going to look. So what I'm going to show is how do you find if a given functionality is available in the Python library or not. Go to Google and just type to sort the list in Python. We have a lot of ways to do it, but since every data structure defined in Python is already an inbuilt class, so it has a method called sort. So just call the list with sort. It automatically does the sorting in place, and the list will be sorted, which gives us 3.5 as expected. You can quickly check whether whether the list is sorted in place or not by just print and then list. If you see that, um, if you see for our test function, it is going to return you 1 2 5 6 as a sorted list. So now you can go ahead and remove this and make it as a common function for multiple things. So you can write any number of, you can try anything here like age, even negative values for that matter, and then you will get the expected median output. That's for today. Have fun with Python.